Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Jeep Cherokee Latitude 4-wheel drive. Stock number X668A. 87,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. Deep cherry red in color. Cherokee seats 5, cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear. This Latitude has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjuster for the driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, touchscreen infotainment system for radio. You can connect various media devices, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, compass, heating and air conditioning, and there's of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things used most often. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect media devices, and select terrain 4-wheel drive system, giving you the greatest capability no matter what the surface. Lots of storage space in the armrest, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Cherokee has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 184 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway, and approximately 75% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Cherokee, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.